Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Esic employee account. So follow the steps in order to do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe. Let's move on. First step, open up a search browser, and on your search browser you want to search for Esic employee login just like this. Once you come over here, the first option, Esic portal application, you want to click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to Esic's login page, which is going to look just like this. And once you're in this page, you can change this language to English if you don't understand Hindi, and it'll basically translate everything to English. Over here where it says username, you need to enter the username of your account. Where it says password, you need to enter the password of your accounts over here. And where it says captcha, whatever thing is shown over here, you enter that. So in my case, it's 4AC8803. So this is the code for me. Now I can click on login and I should be able to log in into my Esic employee account. And if you're a staff, then make sure you choose the Esic staff, alright? Otherwise, you're going to be on the insured person by default. So make sure to choose this if you're a staff. So that's it for today's video. Hit the subscribe. Bye-bye.